Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you can replace this blinker light and marker light that's on the front of your 2019 Kia Forte. We also have the daytime running light. It's the same procedure for both, but first, to make it the easiest, you can potentially do it through the fender well by turning the steering wheel all the way to the right or the left depending on which side you're replacing, and push pins that are in the fender well, pulling that and then reaching in and replacing it. Or you can just remove the bottom cover plate, which is an array of a bunch of push pins, 7 different bolts that you remove. So right up in here, close to the bumper, this is the reservoir for your windshield washer fluid. You're going to go right up to the front here, and this is where the light is. Turn it counterclockwise and pull the light housing out, and then you can pull the whole thing down and be able to pull the light bulb out. Now this is a double light element, and so you're going to turn it to the left and pull it out, and when it has double elements it's got one prong and it's lower than the other, and so you can't put it in reverse. It won't work properly. Anyway, so it's the blinker light and a side marker light for the front, but it's a P21 natural amber is what the light bulb is that you get for it. And then, like I said, when you put it in, it will only go one way that will lock into place. If you try to put it in the reverse way, it won't lock over because it won't go down, because this needs to be on the other side. So you just got to make sure you put it in the way that it will lock, which you press it and turn it, basically just a slight turn to the right, and then it locks in. And so when that's all done, then you just go ahead and put it back up in here, and then turn it a quarter turn to the right or clockwise to lock it back into place. And so that's how you replace your blinker light on the front of your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.